Hey guys, welcome back to Dreamstylechaos. This is your girl Reena, and today I'll be doing my very first impression. However, today's product has to be in the spotlight because today I'll be testing out the new Wet n Wild mascara plus fiber extension kit. Now, I haven't seen any reviews about this or anybody talk about this. I don't really know if this is actually new or is it introduced newly in Indian market. And I knew I had to share this with you live in front of camera. Like, I never really feel the need of doing first impressions because I feel makeup needs a review so that you understand product fully, but it's either a hit or a miss. So I am super excited. So yeah, if you want to know what are my thoughts in my review and my first impressions on the Wet n Wild mascara plus fiber extension kit, then keep on watching. Let's go. Alright, so before I jump into the actual application and the product and the claims and all that fun stuff, let me briefly tell you what exactly is a fiber extender. So basically, the fiber extender is nothing else, but it's got actual fibers in it. So it's got like hair-like particles in it. So basically, you just apply that stuff on your eyelashes and it gives you faux lashes feel on your eyelids. If you are someone who has trouble using falsies, and this is a great option. That is how basically a fiber mascara is supposed to work. So they have given you all the steps and how to follow it, and the before and after. Honey, let me tell you, it is crazy promising because the claims are so fun. I mean, it's just a 3-step process, and they just say that you get 39, no, not 2, not 10, not 40, but like 39. That's very specific. 39% more volume, so I could really use that. And it says it's clinical based, so it's completely safe for your eyes. So let's start with the procedure, if I may. So the first step is to apply primer to your mascara. Wait, what? Prime your lashes with mascara. Sorry, I'm just excited. I cannot even read at this point. Okay, so this is a primer, step 1 and 3, and this is step number 2. So first off, right off the back, I like the wand because I feel it's going to be good. Oh, it dries really quickly. Okay, I like the consistency of this mascara. It's not too wet, it's not too dry. It's somewhere where I like it. I mean, personally, I have nothing against spidery lashes, but I think this is a little clumsy and spidery. So I'm just trying to separate it with the mascara wand. And without wasting a second, I'm gonna go into... Ooh, there's a lot of fiber particles. Can you see that? Oh. Ooh, it's in the air, This honestly feels like I've put cotton. Okay, now I'm supposed to go back with the mascara again and seal the deal. Okay. What the heck? Can you see this? Not my nail, but like this. This is not cute. That's a chunk of mascara. Of fiber. Alright, so I don't think I've done the best job. Also, I don't think I've done justice to my eyelashes completely because I felt I kind of failed to apply the fiber and the mascara on the end of my eyelashes where I really needed it the most, because that's where I have barely 2 lashes to begin with, and the brush just wouldn't get it. Like, I'm gonna try one more time. Yeah, I'm like really trying to get those lashes. Like, I'm going to town with this. I'm gonna try applying some fiber in it. Ooh, it's working. Like, guys, I'm going inside my eye. Like, I'm really going inside. That is some mascara. I mean, I'm just taken aback because now I really like this portion of my mascara, because I always try to get mascara in this area, but like, can you see, I barely have 3 lashes over here. Alright, so I was planning to using this product with one side on its own and the other side with a eyelash curler, but honestly, you don't need that stuff. Like, this has already curled my lashes, giving it some volume and some length, which is amazing. It is slightly spidery and clumsy, but not in an ugly way. I mean, it's really doing the job well. I love how the edge of my eye looks, because that is the part where I struggle a lot with my mascara. The difference is evident. Also, you don't need to tight line with this product because you go so hard and so in your eye that it is already giving you that tight lined effect as well. However, there is one drawback right off the back and a lot of product on my face. Like, you cannot see it at this distance. There is a lot of black dots around. Like, I'm gonna try and okay, I've turned off my light. I don't know if you can see it now. Like, can you see there are black dots all around? Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. Also, without light, this looks bomb. Like, it takes a lot to look good without light. Ooh, okay, I could get rid of that stuff so easily. Like, I just wipe my finger and it's off my face. So maybe now that's not an issue. I really want to try this stuff on my lower lashes. The bristles in here are bomb because no ordinary mascara works on my lower lashes. Who am I? My eye looks so amazing. Like, I always wanted my eyelashes, like my bottom eyelashes, to look beautiful and feminine and like basically this. And finally today I have it. Like, this is amazing. Like, I can keep staring at myself, you know, this is that amazing. Ever since I have my other eye just hanging in there, I really don't want to leave it just like that. So I'm going to now pull out my favorite mascara from Essence and I'm going to test it against each other. Alright, so I'm back with my Essence I Love Extreme Volumizing Mascara. It's like half the price of what we paid for the two. Also, in terms of quantity, you get 12 ml of product in here, whereas this is 11 ml and this is 0.035 ounces. Now, as you can see, the brush in here is humongous and it's pretty big, thick and intense. And yes, I mess up a lot with this, but I just love the formula that I keep on going back to this. This is how my lashes look from really far away. I mean, this is on your face. This is like, yeah, I tried. It's there, it's doing its thing. It has given me some kind of volume and a little bit of length. I think this is the maximum length my eyelashes can get. But like, this side is so alive. If this is a hot 10, this is a solid 8. I'm gonna try and use the fiber extender with this. I'm just gonna go with another coat of this so that, you know, it is a little wet because I was talking so much. And without wasting a second or two, I'm gonna take back everything that I said about this is a solid 10 and this is the 8, because now this is a solid 20. I love the amount of volume I've got on this side with the duo of my Essence and the fiber extender. I don't know what to say, you damn it. This is it, you guys. My life is changed. Okay, I tried using this on the bottom lashes. It was a disaster because the bristles are so big. It was a mess. Let's just be honest. So I think for my bottom lashes, I will stick to the original duo. But for my actual lashes, honey, I got my own duo right here. I love the combination. And okay, I'm gonna fast forward the part where I use this on my lower lashes. I had no issues irritating my eyes or feeling heavy. It was super comfortable. It was more than comfortable, honestly. In terms of the product claim, then definitely it stands by it. The price point is a little hefty on this one. This is priced at ₹900, which is a big one. Even with 50% off, you have to pay 450 rupees, which is almost 500 rupees. But you also get two mascara. In terms of, does everyday girl need this or is it like an essential necessity? Then nope, it's a really fun product. If you are someone out there who loves wearing makeup, who loves doing dramatic eye makeups, but you also struggle wearing falsies, basically if you are me in this case, then definitely this is a great product for you, because even though you can facetune your pictures, in real life makeup looks really incomplete and awkward without falsies if you have some really gorgeous eye makeup going. So I think for those days I would highly definitely use this. I would also use this while filming. However, there were a few drawbacks. I mean, not only the price is a little up there, but also the fibers were literally flying up in the air, which was really weird, and I just could feel it that I was wasting quite a bit of product. It wasn't a lot, but definitely a bit of product, which I have paid for. And again, you don't really get that much of product over here. But if you are someone who wears falsies, then honestly you don't need the stuff. You are a better person without this. I will let you know about how many uses I get out of these, because even though there is not a lot of product, I did not have to use 2 coats. Like 1 coat for each eye was more than enough, and in that way I feel there's a lot of product in there. I absolutely love the product quality, the bristles and everything about this. Also, I don't think you need to take any extra steps to remove this product. You can remove this as you do with your waterproof mascara. Probably not the most ideal thing to wear during monsoons, but yeah, apart from that, I mean, this is a win-win-win situation. Also, let me know in the comments which eye is your favorite. Wow, that is so creepy. But like, do you like this side of my eye, which is the actual original duo, or do you like Reena's duo, which is my Essence mascara and the fiber one? Personally, I love the Reena's duo. Come on, you saw that coming. And with that, I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, you know what to do. Give this video a big thumbs up, and while you're at it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm uploading videos every single day of this month up till 11th of July, which is my birthday date, and I'm turning 21. Say what? Yes, I'm super excited. So really mean a lot to me if you could subscribe and stay tuned. And I've created a playlist in the description of all the videos that I've created for this month. And with that, I will see you tomorrow. Till then, take care. Goodbye.